So, how was Cosmic Rays?
It's good. It was empty.
Yeah.
Weird.
It's empty here.
Yeah. Sunny Eclipse, who is our all-time favorite, you know that, is not there because they have the stage set up for some like dance DJ thing or something for the Halloween party. So Sunny Eclipse wasn't there, so we were a little upset. It's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's still good.
And we're here right in front of the castle for the stage show that Jagger likes to watch on
it's in like
YouTube.
7 minutes, so we're gonna wait for it.
Yeah, I think he'll like
Take
it.
them out when it starts.
We invite you to celebrate 50 years of friendship with Mickey's Magical Friendship Fair. In just a few moments, it all starts right here, where the magic feels like home.
Do you know who we're gonna see? It's gonna be so cool, buddy.
Excited? Do you know what you're gonna see?
I was about to laugh for.
Where'd Mommy go?
Hello. Hello. You ready, buddy?
Friends from near and far, welcome to the Magical Friendship Fair. What a great time! This is wonderful!
To bring all sorts of friends together in celebration of what makes this kingdom really unique. All right!
Allow me to introduce my new pals from the land of the bewitching voice.
Now why are you standing way over there? Come and join the Jubilee.
Well, I ain't got much to add to the party. Well, I'm not good at tap dancing or playing the ukulele.
Everyone's got something. A party's like a big pot of gumbo. It takes all the different flavors coming together to make it good. And they all knew what they wanted us to do. Told them what they needed, just like we'll be telling you. So, a pleasure to meet you, gentlemen.
How you doing? It's a pleasure. It's all mine. Out of my way! My turn! Stop! Everybody, we do what we want, when we just like at the Snuggly Duckling. Ow!
Hey, hold on! Let's go!
God, told you, can't take them anywhere.
Donald Duck, what have you done?
Yep, I'd rather be called deadly for my killer show too deadly. Thank you, cause when that deep inside I've got a dream. You've got a dream.
To test the limits and bring
It is now time for the magical Friendship Fair Grand Celebration.
Okay, what are we eating there? I already devoured mine.
Caught red-handed. We got spring rolls, of course we did.
And Jagger had like a 20-minute nap because of the riverboat.
Yeah, that wasn't fun.
But guess what? We're gonna go on Jungle Cruise next. Ooh, Jagger's first cheeseburger egg roll.
Good?
Ready? We're going to Jungle Cruise now. We're in Adventureland, right? Jagger, it's your first time on Jungle Cruise. It's a beautiful Friday at Magic Kingdom. Do you think Jagger thinks it's all one big park?
Probably. I don't even think he really knows where he is, but he's just like, okay, this is cool.
Yeah. I always thought that, oh, is it one big park? Oh, the camel spit at me. That was close. Genie plus fail.
Big time.
Yeah.
So I don't even know if we explained what happened. We had a Genie Plus for Pirates. We were going to do rider swap. So we don't want Jagger to go on it yet. But it was down, so they gave us one of those, like,
Yeah.
wherever you want to go, Genie Plus pass. Well, it turns out you can't use it for certain rides, and one of them is Jungle Cruise.
Yeah.
That's okay. So we're going to go to Haunted Mansion. Ryan thinks Jagger will be fine. I don't, so expect screaming.
He likes Halloween.
No,
He does.
I just don't think this is a good idea. But hey, all you.
He's gotta experience
all
everything.
you. And then once we do that, hopefully we can get a Jungle Cruise
Yeah.
pass.
Because I think he wants to see the.
I think he would have
like
fun
the
there. I
animals,
don't think
yeah.
he's gonna have fun in Haunted Mansion. But again, all Ryan. There's your churro stand, by the way.
Let's see, churros. What's that? I never had one.
Yeah.
Still.
You know, we could use that pass that we have for Splash Mountain.
Yeah. Is it down? I heard it was down.
It's not. I just saw it go down.
Oh, okay.
I'm just saying, like, if you wanted to do ride swap.
Maybe if you want to do it. You got stuck last time.
It wasn't horrible. I got stuck at the end.
Yeah.
It's running now, so.
We haven't even aired that one yet. I don't think.
No, we haven't. We haven't.
We haven't posted that one yet.
No.
It's coming up.
Trip. Yeah, it is coming up. We haven't showed it yet.
We're a little behind right now.
My dad and I went on it.
Yeah.
And at the very, very end, literally we were the next like couple boats to like unload to get off the ride.
Yeah.
We got stuck.
I see Haunted Mansion in the distance. Okay, another change of plans. We're going on Jagger's first ever ride. It's a Small World before we hit the Haunted Mansion. fun, Jagger? Alright, we did it. We did it. It's a small world.
Do you see who that is over there, bud? Do you know who it is? You see Pluto? Where's Pluto? Yeah, say hi, bud. Yeah.
Of course, there's always my